Today, I'm going to teach you how to group tasks in ClickUp. This is an incredibly useful feature that helps you organize related tasks together, making your project management much cleaner and easier to navigate. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to head over to your browser and type in clickup.com. Once you're on the ClickUp homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct login details so you can access all your workspaces and tasks without any issues. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Here, look for the Spaces option on your panel and click on it. Spaces in ClickUp are essentially containers for different projects or areas of work, so you'll need to navigate to the specific space where you want to organize your tasks. Once you've clicked on Spaces, select the particular page or list you want to edit. This is where all your tasks are currently stored. Now, here's the key to grouping tasks in ClickUp. You'll need to identify which task will serve as your parent task. Think of the parent task as the main umbrella under which all related tasks will be organized. Take a moment to decide which task makes the most sense as your parent task, as this will be the foundation of your task group. Once you've identified your parent task, the process becomes really straightforward. Simply click and drag the tasks you want to group and move them directly under that parent task. ClickUp's interface is designed to make this drag and drop action smooth and intuitive, so you should find it quite easy to do. Here's an important detail to pay attention to. When you're dragging those tasks, make sure to move them slightly to the right as you place them under the parent task. This horizontal shift is crucial because it tells ClickUp that these are subtasks, not just tasks positioned below. You'll notice that once you drag them to the right, they'll automatically present themselves as subtasks with a slight indentation, making the hierarchy visually clear. And there you go. You've successfully grouped your tasks in ClickUp. All your related tasks are now neatly organized under a single parent task, making it much easier to manage your workflow and see the structure of your project at a glance. This grouping method helps you maintain clarity in your task management and ensures nothing gets overlooked. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.